Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to add a game that you already have installed on your PC to your Epic Games library. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the Epic Games launcher if you haven't already. After opening up Epic Games guys and logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the games that you own on the left side of the screen and all the games that you can buy on the Epic Store. So guys, for today's tutorial I'm going to be using this game right here called Enter the Gungeon as an example. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and explain to you how you do this. So basically guys, you have to go ahead and find the folder where you have the full game installed. So guys, you can see here is my full game of this game on the Epic Store. This is the game that I'm going to be installing. I have the full installation right here. So guys, what you want to do is have a separate folder with the full installation. And now guys, where you have the separate folder, you want to go back to the store and you want to start the installation. Here you want to choose where you want to install the game. I'm going to put it as this folder right here where my full game is. So here it's going to go and start the installation. So let's go ahead and click on install guys. And now as you can see, it will start installing. I'm going to go ahead and pause it. As you can see here, it is downloading. So guys, what we want to do now is go back to the folder, and here you will see this has been the folder that has been created just now when starting the installation. So what we want to do is go ahead to the original folder that we had with the full installation and copy all the files in it. Copy all the files in it guys and go ahead and go back to the folder that has just been created, and you want to paste those files right there guys. Go ahead and paste it. Just replace this EG store when it comes up as a question if you want to replace it, if it does. As you can see here guys, nothing appeared, and now I have successfully pasted the files. Now I can go back guys and now start the download again. And as you can see here guys, now the game will no longer be downloading but will only be reading by the side of the server. So now it will just recognize the game and verify it very quickly, and after that you will be able to play the game. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.